Hello everyone, I am Qazi Mujaviz. Welcome to EdTech. Today we are going to learn how to protect the document with the password. We are going to learn to protect the Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So first we start with the Word. To protect the document with the password, click File, then click Info, then click on Protect the document, click Encrypt with password, type the password, hit OK. It will ask you for the retype the password. Type the password again, 1 2 3 4, any password you can type. Click OK. Now your document is password protected. Save the document. If you close this file and if you try to open the same file, it will ask you for the password. Until you not type the password correctly, it will not open the file. And remember that if you forget the password, you will lose the file. So this is the way how we can set a password for a file to protect the document. Similarly, we can also do for Excel. Click on File, then Info, then Protect the Workbook, Encrypt with password, type the password here again. 2 times you have to type the password to confirm. Save the file wherever you want. And similarly, if you close this Excel file and once you open again, it will ask you for the password. Type the password correctly and click OK. It will open the file. Then we are going to learn how to set a PowerPoint slideshow and how to protect the PowerPoint slideshow with the password. Click File, Info, Protect the document, Encrypt with password, type the password, again retype the password, save the file, if you close the file and try to open the same file, it will ask you for the password. So here we have learned how to set a password for a Word, Excel and PowerPoint to protect the document. To remove the password from the document, we have to click File, Info, Protect the presentation, Encrypt with password, highlight the password and press delete. Click OK. Save the file. It will delete the password. Now if you try to open the file, it will not ask you for the password.